Let's see this question. 20 men can finish a job in 15 days. In how many days 30 men can do the same job? Right? So if you see this, they are saying that there is some work that has to be done, and it is done in such a way that if 20 men have worked for 15 days, they are able to finish it. Now they are asking if 30 men, instead of 20 men, if 30 men work on the that project, how many days will it take them for them to complete? So assume that this is one group of people and that is another group of people. Whatever it is, the final work done has to be same. Therefore the effort that has to be given by both the groups have to be same. So what is the effort that is given by the first group? 20 men have worked for 15 days, right? Therefore it is equal to 300 men days. This is the effort that is given by the first group. And now they are saying that if the same work has to be done by another group of 30 men, then how many days are required? So now we understand that since the work is same, the effort that has to be given by the other group also should be same, right? Which means effort given by the other group is equal to, let us say this is effort E1. Now what is the effort given by the other group in order to finish the work? 30 people are working, therefore 30 men, and we don't know number of days they are working. Let us assume that the number of days is x days, right? Now on the other side it is 30x men days. Now since the same amount of work is accomplished by this group as well as this group, the efforts have to be same, which means effort given by the first group should be equal to the effort given by the second group. So what does it mean? 300 men days is equal to 300 into x men days. So what does it mean? Men days get cancelled. 30, right? 30x, which means x is 10 days. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to solve all such questions. But let's try to understand what is the meaning of 300 men days here. Now when I am saying that the effort required is 300 men days, it can be written in various ways. If I write it like this: 300 men, 1 day. It means that if 300 men work on this project, they will be able to finish it off in 1 day, right? If I write it other way, 1 man and 300 days. What does it mean? If 1 man works on this project, it requires 300 days for him to finish it off, right? Or I could also split it any way I want. Let me say I want to split in 15 and 10. 15 men and 20 days. So what does it mean? If 15 men work on the project, it requires 20 days, right? Or 20 men, 15 days. What does it mean? If 20 men work on this project, then it takes 15 days. That is what is given, right? Similarly, you could also split it as 30 men, 10 days. What does it mean? If 30 men are working, then it requires 10 days for them to finish it, right? So this is what is asked. This is what is asked. If 30 men are working, how many days does it take? 10 days. So how to solve it? Always try to find out the effort required in terms of number of people working on it into the time they are contributing in it. It could be either days or hours or months or years, right? So it is number of people into time they contribute, that is the effort. Now equate the efforts given by two groups because they are obviously going to accomplish the same work. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.